Having a desk setup and workspace that inspires is a real game changer. Hi, I'm Chris, and here's my studio tour for 2024. So this is where I spend most of my time. I finally have a studio desk setup that allows me to do everything, including video and photo editing, animation, sound design, and voiceover. Here's a look at my gear, and I'll link all the products in the description down below. The heart of the setup is the Mac Studio, outfitted with an M2 Ultra chip, 24-core CPU, 60-core GPU, 32-core neural engine, and 128 gigs of memory. This computer is insanely fast. It's never given an inch with even the most robust animation projects. Render times, super fast. Couldn't be more happy with this Mac Studio. For studio reference audio monitors, I went with Yamaha HS5s, perfect for desktop setup, and I've paired these with ISO Acoustics isolation stands. These eliminate vibration on the desk and give the monitors about a 2.5-inch lift off the desk. How about the microphone? My all-time favorite is the Neumann TLM-103. It's clean, warm, and clear. It's not cheap, but if you're looking to do professional VO and want some real quality, this is a great mic. For an audio interface, I use a Scarlett Solo hidden back here. This is where your audio monitors and microphones connect to your computer. For VO, which I do every day, all I want here is a clean input that I can then manipulate in Logic Pro to give my voice that full, robust sound that I'm looking for. Here's a little taste of VO that comes from this setup.
20 iconic artists converge in Las Vegas for the iHeartRadio Music Festival.
Hey, it's Bruno Mars. Will you be there?
Win your way to this historic event by being the 20th nationwide caller when you hear the cue to call.
So there you go. And these are Sony MDR 7506 headphones, the most widely used headphones across the production and radio studio landscape. They're true sound monitor headphones, no manipulation of frequencies whatsoever. For cable management and to have multiple inputs to your computer, I highly recommend the CalDigit TS4 Thunderbolt dock. You get 18 ports in and only have to connect one cable to your computer. 3 Thunderbolt 4s, 5 USB-As, 3 USB-Cs, a display port, also SD card and micro SD card ports. Very handy box. Very important component in video production is my LG 27MD 5KL Ultrafine 5K monitor. This monitor delivers 99% DCI-P3 color accuracy and rivals the Mac Studio display for a few bucks less. If color correction and color grading accuracy are important to you, this is a really great choice. My side monitor is an older Samsung U28E590. I sometimes have motion open on this screen or email or web. Pretty happy with the clean and minimal look. I've been obsessed with hiding cables and keeping all the components organized. What I use is a simple undercarriage that clips onto the desk. This is a Shika clip-on design. This is the Logitech MX mechanical keyboard and mouse. The mouse is programmable and great for replacing keyboard shortcuts in Final Cut Pro. A couple of Philips Hue intelligent lights add to the ambiance of the room. And that's it. My setup isn't too fancy, but functional with some great components that inspire and allows me to create. I appreciate you watching and taking an interest.